When you first decide to learn to trade options in stock, it's a bewildering forest out there. Lots of choices to make. The first and one of the most important choices is choosing the right trading platform. These days, you've got a lot to choose from, and I'm here to help you narrow down those choices. My name is Maggie Roth, and I've been successfully trading on my own for over 2 decades now, and I have a history in the stock market going all the way back to the early 1970s. If you enjoy these short videos, please like and subscribe below, and you'll get notice of all my new updates. So let's start your journey by narrowing down your first choice you've got to make, choosing a good trading platform. At the end, I'm going to give you my choices of the best. To get you started, I think it is important to understand how the stock market actually works. Most people think they are selling and buying directly from one trader to another trader. That's how it worked in the dawn of stock trading. In fact, that's where Wall Street came into being in New York City. It became synonymous as the capital of trading in the U.S. Men would gather under a tree on Broadway and Wall Street and buy and sell stocks in various adventures. Like, let's say they were financing a ship to go to the Indies and they needed money for the expenses. They would go down there and sell shares in the ship. From there, a whole industry grew, exchanges and brokerages. And rather than me going to Wall Street to finance a business or adventure, I would hire an agent to do my transactions, and that person would take a percentage as his commission. That's the basic setup we have still going on today. The major exchanges in the US are the New York Stock Exchange, the American Stock Exchange. A more recent addition has been the NASDAQ Exchange, where a lot of your technical stocks like Microsoft and Apple trade. These days, options are also gaining in popularity. They're traded on the Chicago Board of Exchange, the CBOE. So now we have the exchanges, hubs where stocks are bought and sold. And with the rise of digital trading, grew the online platforms. These trading platforms have taken the place of the agent who took your order in the old days to the exchange and bought and sold on your behalf. Some of these agents were stock brokers, and they formed their own digital trading platforms. Fidelity did, Charles Schwab, a bunch of them did. At first, these platforms, they were kind of weak, but some have gotten much better in recent years. Now you have the setup for modern trading. You can see why choosing the right platform is going to be so important to you. So some of the factors I look at when making choices. Does the platform have a wide array of products? You might not be ready to trade a product now, but think of the future. Who knows where your trading is going to lead you? You might love Forex, or trading in futures, cryptocurrencies, options, and of course, stocks and bonds. You want to make sure your platform has access to all of those. Is there a good customer service hotline? Can you call someone when you run into a problem and get immediate help and knowledgeable help? A few years ago, a platform came into existence, Robinhood. They said they were not going to charge any commissions. Now, I'm always suspicious when somebody says, hey, my service is for free, because my first question is, how do they make their money? Robinhood was bundling their orders from traders and putting them out there to bid at the various exchanges. They were earning their fee between the going price of the stock or option and the bundled rate, which meant our fills took longer and weren't as good for us. Shortly after that, Charles Schwab also said they weren't going to charge commissions any longer, and soon all the platforms were forced to follow suit. But they still charge fees of some sort, and it's important to get the best rates and still receive good service. Also know these fees are negotiable, and it never hurts to ask for lower rates. There are also some very good platforms that charge a flat monthly rate to use them in addition to the trading fees. Interactive Brokers is one of these, and they have excellent charting tools. Finally, I'd want to platform that has a lot of flexibility, including good tools for charting and analyzing, search functions to find stocks with certain parameters, great drawing tools, and the ability to set your trades up no matter how complicated they are. Think of an iron condor, it has 4 legs. And you also want to have the ability to set stop losses, trailing stop losses, and trades triggered by price or time. Because I teach a lot, I hear a lot about the various platforms you can choose from. And I've had experience on 4 of them over the years. Here are my personal top picks. My first and favorite trading platform is TD Ameritrade. They have excellent education. They have good trading tools and great customer service. I also like Interactive Brokers. They have good search tools and charting. And finally, I love Tastyworks. It's the best mobile app out there and best option trading platform. The guy that wrote the platform for Tastyworks is a friend of mine, Tom Sosnoff. He also wrote the platform for TD Ameritrade, and he did a lot of the educational videos that they have. So anything that Tom does is okay in my books. He's a fabulous guy. So picking a great trading platform is only the first step of your journey. A good guide to take you through the maze of trading is essential. That's where I step in. My number one priority is helping you become a thinking trader. I do not think that will happen if you just pick a guide that tells you what to trade without the why and the how and the when of trading. Investing Buddies has excellent educational courses on our website. You can go with me on a journey called Data also. Data classes are 10 weeks long. They happen 4 times a year. Every day you trade live with me, and I explain what I see and think on each trade as we set it up right there. Here's a great opportunity for you to join Investing Buddies on a 2 free-week trial. You'll get a feel for what we're all about, and I'm pretty sure you'll see that you've landed in the right place to become a great trader. The link is below for your free trial offer.